The housing industry has been hoping that lower mortgage rates would help drive sales of newly built homes, but that hasn't happened so far. Sales unexpectedly fell for a second straight month in May, and that news pressured shares of home builder stocks in today's trade, and one was especially hit hard. Diana Olick has more.
At a stunning newly built home in Southern California, buyers were pretty scarce. Even the few that did come out for this luxury offering were worried about affordability.
It's nice that the interest rates are going down. I'd just like to be in a better position, going debt-free.
Sales of newly built homes dropped unexpectedly in May, down nearly 4% compared with a year ago. Most expected sales to bounce on that big drop in mortgage rates.
We got some tailwind from the mortgage rate decline, but it was an awfully sluggish start to this year's spring selling season. So we were just clawing back to break even, which is effectively what Lennar reported.
The average on the 30-year fixed mortgage fell from just over 4.25% to well below 4% in May when those sales contracts were signed. The median price of a newly built home also fell close to 3%, likely because fewer luxury homes like this one are selling. What is selling is on the lower end. Precisely why the nation's largest builder by revenue, Lennar, saw unexpectedly bright earnings in the second quarter as it starts to build more entry-level homes and offers more incentives.
We clearly saw traffic and sales continue to strengthen in the second quarter as a combination of lower interest rates together with at least slower price appreciation and in some instances slightly lower prices have positively impacted affordability.
But Lennar's stock dropped sharply during that conference call after its president said tariffs and the labor shortage were increasing their costs. And while builders may want and need to put up cheaper homes given the current housing shortage, doing so, given the higher costs, hurts their bottom line. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.